Greetings, this is Carla from MooreTalkJa with my More Fitness Journey update for like midweek, something like so. Okay, yeah, before I ask me anything, yes, this is a scandal bag on my head. I feel it comes from Metro. No, this is actually from Shoppers. Because why? Because I'm in the middle of steaming my hair, and that same Shoppers thought that they should charge me $4 for a plastic cap. I'm tell them no though. I'm tell them no because I get scandal bag every day. And furthermore, like when they're fired and I charge me 5 cents for the scandal bag and them type of something here. No, that scandal bag is being reused right now to steam my hair. So right now I have a mixture of extra virgin olive oil, hair cholesterol, and little bit of the herbal essence, something in there for try to make it smell good, because God know the cholesterol don't smell good. I really don't want to smell like pasta sauce, so I do what I have to do. But I don't know, some of the look at turbo fire, so I just done all that. Must the day same not the turbo fire. So that is the one where you do the 20 minutes of core and then the 40 minutes of stretching. Okay, you see that 20 minutes of core something there. The first time I do it, I did a smile and I talk about how I love it and how I love the resistance band. You see this week, I don't know if it's because me did I go hard in all of the other workout them and my abs them really just very conscious of themselves. There's something hurt. It hurt. I don't know all the rest of them in the class, but them are but then still one of the girls that been up like pretzels, so I realize them not really make out of the same thing as we. But it's only one thing I have to say to you, man. Fat people, big belly people, and people with big leg like myself, don't despair. Don't despair. Because I know that's something that will make you feel bad. Because sometimes when I see the people, them just bend up and definitely just lap up, so like the perfect 630. And when me I do so, and my belly is bucking me at 620. I start to feel bad though. Come and say, oh, I can't do the stretch at the girl I do. It's because of your belly though. So don't worry, you continue to adhere to your diet and you continue to do your abs, and eventually your belly will diminish to the point where it can work. Also, when she do the something where she say you must take one knee and bend it so, and then fold up the other knee and line it up on top of it, so yeah, me can do that, but try and know the hip is off of the ground, because by the time I don't do some, my thigh on top of my next thigh don't lift up my hip off of the ground. So big body people, fat people, don't feel bad when you see them do the exercise. Them I throw them maga, while when them leg up on top of them leg them, they have enough meat to lift up the thigh off of the ground. You will slightly different from them, but you're going to get there. You is going to get there. Don't despair and don't feel bad about yourself. This is my message from my heart to your heart. Otherwise, me, I did stretch them. I mean, I wonder if something wrong with all me I did stretch them, because I feel like me I do them too good, because I know myself to not be fit. But apparently, I'm flexible. Big ups to me, and watch how my dating prospects just went through the roof. Yeah, all of them type of something there. I'm flexible. Me don't know how. Like, just have to take this up and like drop your foot so. Me just a draw. I like my foot can't stop go up. So I may say, why? Anyways, my daddy might watch this. Hi daddy. Hi mommy. Yeah, no, that's not what we're discussing here. We're discussing fitness. Look here. You might be good at something. So stop telling yourself that you're not fit. Stop telling yourself that you're not flexible. All of them type of something there, because you might be. I am secretly one of the more flexible people that I know. Inclusive of the maga girl them. Yeah. Oh. What are the ab product them? Jeez, I can't remember the name. And if I go over to look at it now, I'm going to see that I'm looking at it right here. Okay, so I'm going to post the link under here. One of BeachBody's ab programs, I can't remember the name of what, is on sale for $29 right now. So you see like, oh, I have the little kangaroo pouch going right here. So me and I go buy that now and drop the time on top of what she do, because right now I need my abs to turn up. So, me know everybody always about price and all of them type of something that me know, especially if you're there, yeah, like all of them something there. Yeah. Sale. Some they on sale out right now. So running go buy that. And also, for everybody who are join gym membership, I got gym 2 times and then now go anymore. And then I claim say, oh, but the BeachBody product them too expensive. Please consider that no matter how many days you miss, the BeachBody products will be here waiting on you. So please go and check out my online shop right there, so, and look through the something then before you ball. Because you spend $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 gym and I got 3 days, and then the next rest of the day them you have to about you have meeting at work. You see what I'm saying? It spells sense to people that pan some type of budget. Anyways, I have to go to the people they're meeting and I have to go wash out the steaming something about some ear. By the way, the extra virgin olive oil, yeah? Yo, it work. I'm rubbing it sitting on my ear. You know, so my ear was the damage left side style, because me done put all of the bleach in there. Oh, my ear feel good, so my ear give me every type of texture and quality. Me sorry! Big up to my Negro ear. Yeah, big up to my Negro here. Take care of yourself and I'll be back. I hope you're doing your workout. Go and join More Fitness. I'm putting the links, everything on the air. Bye.